Hello, everyone, and welcome back to QLip English.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael.
Today we have a very important lesson for beginners.
We are going to learn how to make questions in English.
Asking questions is one of the most useful skills in English.
If you cannot make questions, it is very difficult to have conversations.
In this episode, we will teach you simple and clear ways to make questions.
This lesson is perfect for A1 and A2 level learners.
We will use easy sentences and many examples.
Let's start. First, why is it important to learn how to make questions?
Questions help you get information.
You can ask about names, age, jobs, hobbies, and many other things.
Without questions, conversations become very short.
Many beginners feel shy to ask questions because they are afraid of making mistakes.
But asking questions is the best way to improve your English.
So today, we will make it simple and easy for you. There are two main types of questions.
The first type is yes-no questions.
These questions can be answered with yes or no.
The basic structure is be verb plus subject plus rest of sentence.
For example, are you a student?
The answer can be yes, I am, or no, I'm not.
Another example, is this your book?
Yes, very simple.
Let's practice some together.
Are you tired?
Are you from Japan?
These are all yes-no questions.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Now let's learn the second type, WH questions.
These are questions that start with what, where, when, who, why, and how.
These questions ask for more information.
Let's start with what.
What is your name?
What do you do?
Good. Now, where?
Where are you from?
Where do you live?
Next is when.
When is your birthday?
When do you study English?
Who is for people?
Who is your teacher?
Who is your favorite singer?
Why asks for a reason.
Why do you learn English?
How can ask about many things.
How are you?
How old are you?
These 6 words are very important. Now let's talk about common mistakes beginners make.
One big mistake is forgetting the verb be.
For example, some learners say, you happy, instead of, are you happy?
Always remember to put am, is, or are in the correct place.
Another common mistake is putting words in the wrong order.
They say, what you name, instead of what is your name.
The correct order is question word plus be verb plus subject.
Don't worry if you make these mistakes.
Everyone makes them when they are learning.
Just keep practicing the correct pattern.
Here is a simple daily practice plan.
Every day, make 10 questions.
You can write them or say them out loud.
Practice both yes-no questions and what questions.
You can ask yourself questions about your day.
For example, what did I eat today? Where did I go?
You can also practice with a mirror or record your voice.
The most important thing is to practice every day.
Even 5 or 10 minutes is enough.
Small daily practice will help you improve fast.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned 2 types of questions.
Yes-no questions and WH questions.
We learned the correct order for making questions.
And we learned to practice every day.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to ask questions.
Just start with simple sentences.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Thank you so much for listening to this episode.
We hope this beginner guide helps you make questions more easily.
If you liked this lesson, please like the video and subscribe to Clip English.
Share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Keep practicing every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye!
Bye.